I don't see what it looks like up there. Looks easy. Easier than me after a couple of years. That's easy. But it's easier to do it up here. It's a little iffy, dude.
Yeah.
I just set it out on the tip of that.
It's the one that leans too, right?
Yeah. We'll leave it over there.
So this Red hotline has been really good at setting lines and palms. Runs really well, better than the other ones I've used. So just making a little video showing you guys how I set my line and palms. So SRS climbing. And there she is. Yep, that's usually how I set it. Probably gonna climb on this end and anchor that backside to one of those pepper trees. Got a little cluster of 4 palms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this palm's done. Got all the seed pods, all the dead frogs. But one question I often get is like, how do you keep your rope away from the fronds? So it's not always best case scenario, but if you have a place where you could anchor your other end of your line to something else, that's optimal, so that it keeps your rope away from where you're cutting with your chainsaw. That's usually what I like to do, and as you can tell, I have it anchored to that pepper tree down there. Just a little snake anchor. And then from here on out, I'm gonna swing over onto these other ones, start cleaning these up. Always gotta wear protection as well in these, man. Some of these, when you're cutting them, they come down and stab you in the pants. I already had a couple land like that on these, but wearing my chainsaw protection, so I'm good. Shout out to Clogger. So we got this other one done. Now we're gonna redirect off of it. It's gonna take us to that one, and then we'll do that one last. Yep. Smiley face from this ARB Session tether. Getting it done. Mess for the ground workers though. Sheesh. And this palm has a like diamond scale. Bunch of scale on this thing. It's all waxy.